Hi, welcome to this video. In today's video we are going to briefly discuss about Delta Exchange, what are the margin availables, how to deposit and withdraw money from Delta Exchange, what are the benefits that you get by opening an account with Delta Exchange, how to trade future and options in Delta Exchange. All those things we are going to cover in this video. Also I have provided the timestamps for that particular section in the description, so if you want to navigate directly to the options section you can do that by clicking the link in the description. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing and let's get started. Before getting into the video, let's see how much profit I made. I have deposited 250 USDT and I have got 10% as the bonus. So I had 275 USDT and I made a trade 2 days back and I closed the position today and I have made a profit. So let's see how much money I have now. So currently my account value is 286 USDT. So the total amount after the bonus is 275 USDT and currently I have 286 as the account value, so I have made a profit of around 11 USDT. So for 250 USDT, 11 USDT is a return of more than 4%. So 4% in just 4 days. So that's the amount of money that you can make if you are good with option selling or option buying, whatever the thing you are good with. So and here you have the margin benefit and the premiums are also very much higher here. It also holds some risk, extra risk that other than the Nifty and Bank Nifty, because the maximum fall you can expect in the index is 2 to 3%, but here you can expect a crash of 10 to 20% in a single day or even in a single hour. So that's the amount of risk that you have, but the same amount of profit you can go make if you're good with trading. Currently I have an open position and that position is at a profit of around 8 USDT, so that translates into more than 3% return. This is the thing I wanted to say. Let's get started. First let's see how to open an account with the Delta Exchange. So I have provided the link in the description. You can just click that and it will redirect to the Delta Exchange website where you can enter your email address and verify your email address. After verifying that, you can just go to the profile section and there it will show as not verified. You have to click that option and it will redirect to the verification page where you have to upload the PAN card or Aadhaar card and you have to just upload a selfie. That's it. Within 30 minutes you will get your account approved. That's the initial process and it's very simple. You can open an account within 15 to 20 minutes. So what are the benefits of Delta Exchange? First thing is, by opening an account with Delta Exchange you will get 10% as bonus. Consider if you are depositing 250 USDT, then you will get 10% of 250 USDT, that is 25 USDT as a bonus. That bonus you can use that for trading. Second thing is, the brokerage that we pay to Delta Exchange is little bit higher. The future and options that we trade in NSE and BSE we will pay like 20 per lot, 20 rupees per lot, or even some brokers offer 10 rupees per lot. But in Delta Exchange we have to pay 10% of the premium as the brokerage. So here the brokerage is little bit higher. If you want to reduce the brokerage, then you can use the link in the description. There you will get 10% as discount in the brokerage for the 6 months. So it will be very much helpful in reducing the brokerage. And third thing is, for example, if you have traded for 1000 USDT, then you will get the same amount of DITO coins. DITO coins is the Delta Exchange own crypto coin. So if you are generating 100 USDT volume, then you will get 100 DITO. Also, if you trade within the 7 days of account opening, then you will get 100 DITO free of cost. So these are the benefits that you get by opening an account with Delta Exchange. How to deposit money in Delta Exchange? Once you open an account with Delta Exchange, then you will see that deposit option. You can just click that. You cannot directly deposit money to Delta Exchange, so you should have an account with another exchange like forex, Binance, Huobi, Vault, any other exchange. So there you have to buy USDT. For example, if I am having forex or Binance or Vault, I will go there and I will buy USDT. From there I have to transfer USDT here. So either you can transfer it as BTC or USDT or DITO or ETH or XRP. Mostly you will transfer USDT here. If I am going to transfer USDT, then I have to click the USDT, and there are two networks available here. One is ERC20 and BEP20. In ERC20 the charges are higher, so you have to pay 25 USDT. In BEP, the charge is very less. You have to just pay 0.8 USDT. But the thing is, in order to transfer it in the BEP20 network, you should have Binance account. So if you're having an account with Binance, then it is very simple. You just have to buy USDT in the Binance, and from there you can transfer the USDT through BEP20 network. If you don't have Binance account, if you have WazirX account, you can directly open Binance account free of cost, and you can transfer USDT from WazirX to Binance free of cost, and from Binance you can transfer it here. Or the other way around here is XRP. I haven't used XRP yet, but some of my friends told that XRP the charges are very low, so maybe you can try that. You have to just click the XRP. Once you select the XRP network, you will be provided with an address. Then you can go to the WazirX or World or Binance whatever account. So from there you should have XRP. If you don't have XRP, then you can buy XRP using the INR or USDT. Yes, assume you have 100 XRP, then there you have to click withdraw in your account. Like if you have WazirX, then you can click withdraw, and you will be prompted to enter the address where you have to transfer. Then you have to provide the address that is provided in Delta Exchange. So you can copy the address in the Delta Exchange, paste it in the WazirX. So after that you have to click confirm, and it will be transferred here. So once you deposit money into Delta Exchange, then you can start trading. Spot trading. If you want to trade in spot, then you have to just click the trade option here. You have to go to Delta.exchange and you have to click trade, and here we'll have spot. If you click on that spot, you will be having 4 options. One is BTC and ETH and XRP and Ditto. These are the 4 coins available right now in Delta Exchange. So you can trade in these coins by clicking the drop down. You can select, for example, if you want to trade ETH, that is Ethereum, then you can just click here, and this will be the interface. And here is the chart, and here is the order book. This is the sellers, and these are the buyers, and here's the buy sell panel. If you're buying, then you can just select limit or market order. Then you have to enter the quantity that you're willing to buy and just click the buy option. If you're willing to sell, then you have to click sell, and you have to choose limit or market order. Then you have to enter the quantity and sell. That's it. If you want to trade in futures, then you have to go to Delta.exchange, then click on trade, then go to futures. The interface is like this. You will be having the chart here and order book. These are the sellers, these are the buyers, and you will have the buy sell panel. And here you can select the pair that you want to trade. So here we have BTC USDT and BTC USDT for the 31st December expiry, and we have BTC USDT for 25th March. The same way you have other coins as well, like we have Solana USDT, Matic. So we have multiple options here. So you can click that pair, whatever the pair that you want to trade. For example, if you want to trade Doge USDT, then you can just click here, and the graph will be loaded here, and here is the buyers and sellers. You can here is the buy sell panel. So if you want to go with buy, then you can select the margin. So I have made a separate segment in margin, so I will provide the link at the description. You can just click that and redirect to the that section, or else you can just keep on watching. So you have to click buy, choose buy or sell, and you have to select a limit or market order, and you have to enter the price that you want to price at which you are willing to buy, and you have to enter the quantity. Here it is in contract, so I will explain contracts in the margin section, so don't worry. And you have to enter the contracts. For example, I am willing to buy 100 contracts, then that's it. You have to enter the contract. If you want to take profit and stop loss, you can do it here and just click buy. That's it. And the same way goes with selling also. If you want to trade in options, then you can click the options option here. If you have already traded in NSE and BSE options, then the interface is very much simple for you. So here you will see the option chain. So we have the strike price, and we have calls in the left side and puts in the right side. So these are the in the money calls, these are the in the money puts, these are the out of the money puts, and these are the out of the money calls. So if you want to trade, then the interface is like this. Here we have the order book, and we have the buy sell panel. So we have to choose the coin that we are going to trade. We have these coins, and if you are willing to trade in BTC, just click BTC. That's it. And you have to select the expiry. Here we have daily expiry, and we have weekly expiry, and we have monthly expiry. So if you want to trade in the today's expiry, you can click this. If you and this is the tomorrow's expiry, which is a weekly one, and this is the next week, and this is the monthly expiry. We have Jan, February, and March expiries. You can just click that. Here you will see the option sheet. Right now Bitcoin is trading at 47,500. So for example, you have, if you want to sell 40,000 put option and if you want to sell 60,000 call option, so you are willing to do a strangle, then you have to sell 40,000 put option and you have to sell 60,000 call option, right? So you have to go to the 60,000 and here this is the call option, this is the put option. You have to click this one. So if you want to sell 60,000 call option, then you can just click this. Once you click this, you will see the order book refreshing. So here we will see the BTC mentioned here, and this is the strike price you are choosing, and C means call option and P means put option. Okay, and here is the expiry date, so 28 and 01 is January and 2022 year. Okay, so these are the sellers available and these are the buyers available, and you have, here we have the buy sell option. So if you are going with buying, then you can click buy and you have the market limit order, and if you are going with a limit order, then you have to enter the price that you are willing to buy and you have to enter the quantity, and that's it, click buy. So if you are, or also if you want to enter the take price and stop loss prices, then you can enter here, or you can enter it in the percentage also. Or else if you are going to with selling, then you can just click the sell button and you have to choose the margin that you want to go with, and you have to enter the price and you have to enter the quantity. I will explain this margin in the next part of the video. Coming to the margins part, it's not like the future and options that we trade in NSE and BSE. The process is completely different here. So in NSE, for example, if you're trading with 0 or upstocks or 5 paisa, for example, if you're trading in 0 or upstocks or 5 paisa, and if you're holding 2 lakh rupees and you are selling one call option, for example, you have sold some call option in Nifty and that position's worth is 1 lakh rupees. So if you have sold 1 lakh rupees, as you have given 1 lakh rupees as the margin, and remaining you have 1 lakh rupee in your trading account, right? So for example, your view goes wrong, you have sold 17,000 call option and the market breaches 17,000, then you will be in loss, right? For example, you are at a loss of 20,000. So if you are at a 20,000, then your broker will automatically log that amount in the trading account, right? So initially you have 2 lakh rupees, you have taken position worth 1 lakh rupees, so remaining 1 lakh rupee in your account, and currently you are in a loss of 20,000. So your broker will take 20,000 from the remaining 1 lakh rupees. So balance amount you will have is 80,000 rupees. That's simple. But here in order to do the same process, you have to enable the auto margin top up. Auto margin top up is something similar to the thing we do in normal NSE and BSE. The broker is directly taking the margin amount required from your trading account balance, right? To enable that option, you have to go to the settings and you have to enable the auto margin top up. So if you do that, then there is no issues with your account and you can regularly do the trading like that you trade in Nifty and Bank Nifty options. So you don't have to worry about anything else. So coming to the margins part, so if you're going with selling, if you're going with option buying, then there is no issues, you will pay the premium directly. So if you're going with option shilling, that's where you will require the margin amount. So Delta Exchange is offering up to 100x is the margin. For example, let's see how much money is required to sell one option. For example, if you are selling 40,000 put option, I'm selecting 40,000 put option we have here, so I'm going to sell it. So I'm not taking any margin, I'm just clicking at 1x and I'm setting the leverage, and the margin is set, and I'm going with market order. Okay, for one contract I'm entering 40,000 put option and it is trading at the current seller is around 1000 USDT. Okay, if you enter one, then you won't get 1000 USDT, you will get only 1 USDT because it is 0.001 BTC. So you have to multiply this with this one. For one lot you have to enter 1 BTC or 1 ETH. That's when you will get the complete amount. If you sell 1000 contracts, then you will get 1000 USDT as your premium. For that you need 48,000 USDT without margin. To sell 1 BTC, you should need 50,000 USDT without margin. If you are going with 100x leverage, then you need to have 1500 USDT. Normally we won't go with 1000 because that's a very large amount. Normally we will go with 100 contracts or with 10 contracts, like that we will do. So if you are going with 100 contracts, then you will get 100 USDT as the premium. You will receive 100 USDT Since it is 0.1, you have to multiply with the 1000, that will give 100 USDT. If you are selling this at 100x leverage, then you have to pay 146 rupees as margin, and you will receive 100 USDT as the premium. If the option expires out of the money, then you will get 100 USDT as the profit. So if you have any doubt in the concept that we have explained in this video, then you can feel free to comment it in the comment section. I will try to answer it as soon as possible. Make sure you use the link in the description to open the account with Delta Exchange, because you will get 10% discount in the brokerage, and also you will get 10% as the bonus. Thank you for watching.